Electric fusion in the sun, how is it work? In this premium chapter, we will dive into the depth of the sun and discover how there are huge electrical voltage differences in the poles of the black hole inside the sun, from which the solar energy is generated. In order to generate voltage differences and electric current flow in electric circuit, a coil and magnet in moving is needed. Watch the video. The movement of the magnet in the center of the coil is the one that creates the electric voltage. Here, for example, two magnets are connected together in two opposite directions which rotate inside a coil, creating an electric current flow through the coil which causes the lamp to light up. Inside the sun there's a similar system. Inside the sun there is a coil. The coil is made as a result of a stardust mass coming out of the black hole and a spinning in a bubble created. Gas and fuel are burned inside the bubbles, gases are emitted back to the other universe and the metals contained within the bubbles create a coil shape. This is how the coil is created. Now, in order to find the magnet in motion in the sun that electrically affects the coil, it is necessary to understand theoretically. 1. The phenomenon of the magnet and gravity are similar phenomena. 2. Magnet works only on metals and gravity works on metals and all the materials. This means that as a magnet in motion generates an electric current flow in the coil, in same concentrated gravity acts on a point in a coil in motion cause an electric current flow in the coil. This fact has never been tested, but every scientist understands the practical feasibility of the claim. Now that the theory is understood, the gravitational pull of the star and collapse in the other universe, which passes through a narrow opening of the black hole in two opposite directions, is a force that replaces the magnet in the electric power generator. The movement of the sun around the axis is the cause of the magnet being in motion. A black hole emits stardust in two opposite directions, one side more dominant than the other, rotating the sun around the axis. Stardust is ejected out of the black hole, creating a coil phenomenon inside a bubble. The sun spins around the axis, the gravity of the star and collapse in another universe acts in two opposite directions on the two coils. This is what generates electricity in the sun. This phenomenon is the system that generates electricity within the sun from which all known phenomena that generate the solar energy are generated. The gravitational force acting on the coil in motion creates the electricity that generates electric that cause fusion inside the sun. Electrical current in the coils generates electromagnetic inductance which generates the corona heat. The electrical energy is estimated to be about 90% of the solar energy.